Hi guys, welcome guys. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to make use of GetSub application for data. We are not making use. We are not making use in. We are not making use of it to purchase data to earn. But there is a one way which I just discovered on the app, and it's going to be working. So I'll be walking you through step by step on how to make use of the opportunity and print at least let's say 5k per day from the app. So the 3 hours we have already separated the three app. The app which we are going to be making use of today is three apps. We are making use of three apps today. We are making use of multispace, GetSub, and Chrome. I'm walking you through how to make use of this thing now. Let's get into the GetSub now, starting right now. Here I'm right here on my dashboard. You can see how everything looks like. I will just show you the exact way which I use. I've already used it before and I've tested it and it's working. Currently, as of currently now, it's working. As you can see right there, we can see the refer and end. The refer and end. Refer and end. This thing we are going to be making use of to and you also withdraw. You are going to be taking the opportunity of this. Let's say you want to refer and end now. Get a referral link. So you can see right here, your referrals must be a new distinct and they must spend a minimum of 500 naira on GETSUB buying data, cable, electricity, and all data coupon buying airtime will not get you your referral bonus. You will not be rewarded if they just deposit. They have to spend the minimum amount before you get credited. You can withdraw to any bank account when you have earned a minimum of 2k 2000 naira. So what it just means is that you just need to do that you copy your referral link here, or you just copy your referral code, because you will be, for every referral you will be getting 250 naira for every referral. For you to get to this minimum withdrawal right here, you need to refer at least 8 people, which is very very simple. You can refer as much as 100 people in a day, because this trick I want to introduce you to now is a very working strategy. It's going to work. Try it today. Don't dull the update. So just let me show you the trick, this thing which I just discovered. So this will lead us to the other app which we are going to be making use of. Yes, I'm right here on the apps which we are also going to be making use of. The next app which we are going to make use of is multispace. Let's make use of multispace. Multispace, it enables you to have at least you can have multiple apps. Like a single app, you just have it in many this thing. Like this now. Let's clone. You use it to clone. So just clone. Let's clone the GetSub app and see how it goes. Okay, I've already cloned the GetSub app. You can see I have two this thing here that is cloned. I've already cloned the first one and the second one. We are going to make use of the second one. So let's see how it goes. Just click on this thing, then you click on let's view the ads, because that's the this thing. For the cloning app, you need to do the ads. Now you can see we are done with the ad. Just click on cancel and we are good to go. Let's see how it goes. Just stick around now. Click on to the red subscribe button, then like the video for more nice content. Let's sign up. You click on sign up because we want to refer, like self refer. If it is showing like this, you just need to reopen the app. Just click on sign create a new account here. Let's click on create a new account and see how it goes. So what you just need, this thing is very very simple. It's very 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 simple. Input your details here. Let's import it. Let's say you want to just use any random names. You don't need to stress yourself. Just put Ade. The Gmail. Yes, this is when we are going to be making use of the Chrome app. For this one, we are going to be making use of Chrome app to get a virtual Gmail, a temp mail. Let's go to the Chrome browser now and see how it goes. Right here we are into our Chrome browser and see how it goes. Let's just search for temp mail. search for temp mail. The first one, you click on the first one. Verification is ongoing. Just wait. Just be patient for some seconds. Just be patient some seconds. Yes, this thing has already generated a temp mail for us. If you want to read the message, just go down to this in the inbox. You can see the inbox there. We have no inbox yet. Just let's say we want to copy the Gmail now. You just copy the Gmail. You add on to the DC, then you paste the Gmail here. Number, just put any random number. You don't need to verify. It's only the Gmail you need to verify it. So that's the reason why we are using a valid Gmail but a temp mail. So just make use of any number. Just put, let's say, okay, I just put any random number. The password, let's say you want to use let me put one password. Okay, now if you can see, it's asking us for referral ID. This is where you need to input these things for you to receive your reward. So just go on to the GETSUB app, the official app, your own personal app. So let's wait and let it open. Okay, you copy your referral link here, code here, copy, and paste it here, right here. After pasting it here, just click on sign up. Account created, we are here. If you go onto your this thing here, you will see that it will not be showing yet. You just need to do is just to sign in with your this thing we just did. Yes, I've logged in onto the account, so this is how it is. So we have another account referral now. What you just need to do is that they said you must have a referral this thing. Your referral this thing must spend at least 500 naira before you receive your reward. What you just need to do is just read this instruction carefully. You read the instruction carefully. What you just need to do is that you now deposit at least 500 naira on your account, on this account. You just click on deposit, fund wallet, then deposit. After depositing 500 naira, you now use it to buy, maybe like, let's say you either you want to buy it for personal use, or you want to be buying, like you want to sell to others. You just need to purchase at least 500 naira data. Just purchase it and you receive. After purchasing it, you just purchase and you are good to go. After purchasing, you will receive your 250 naira here, because that's the thing. There are times and conditions you need to spend at least 500 naira. Just spend it. Either you purchase data or you do any other thing. You can just, maybe you want to do data now, you can just go there, sign up for the second account, then you purchase the data, then you will receive your reward here, 250 naira. 250 naira. Just imagine you do it for, like, you can do it for as many as possible. Let's say 100 accounts. Let's say, let's do the calculation. Let's say you do it for 100 accounts. 250 times 100, that's 25,000 naira. That's very massive. That's very massive. Consistency is the best this thing to do. So you just need to be doing it consistently. You can earn as much as 25k per day. And if you want me to do the live video on how everything goes smoothly, just click the red subscribe button now, and watch out for the next. I'll be posting a video on it yet. This is a video I have for you right now. What you just need to do is just go onto a YouTube channel. What you just need to do is just go onto YouTube, then search this name, REDOX Tute. What I mean is tutorial and updates. Where the updates will be shared and the tutorial will be done. So just click onto the channel. This is my channel. Just click on subscribe. Just subscribe to the channel and you are good to go. This is the video I have for you for right now, and I'll be very glad if you can subscribe and like the video for more nice and good content. Thanks. Goodbye.